Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain some useful websites to learn any programming language or any technology. Okay, first one I want to give introduction. W3 Schools is the first website. If you are a beginner, if you don't know any language or anything, if you want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, what are the UI side components? That mean whatever the you see in the website, web pages, or any UI components. If you want to learn like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, jQuery, these all things, I prefer you to go to W3 schools because they will teach you basic concepts and they will give you one more thing, learn here only. So then what they will do, they will give the code and you can try also, try it, no issue. Don't think that you have to try in the tools only, we have to write the code. Don't think like, try it, try to understand the code. Okay, if you are learning UI related technologies, I prefer W3 school only for beginners. If you are a more than 2 years experience guy, this is not the process. Okay, then if you are learning Java, C, any server side programming languages, some advanced concepts, some interview concepts, or any reasoning aptitude, okay, you can check here. They are Python, Java, HTML you learn in W3, C sharp, C plus data structure, Selenium, reasoning aptitude. If you want to learn, I prefer tutorial points. People though are less than 1 year experience, I prefer those people to learn all these things from Java T point. Then if you are getting to the job or any, if you are developing anything, if you stuck somewhere, that means if you're unable to write the code, if you found some issue in the your code, I prefer try to search in whatever your issue, and Stack Overflow, you just type it in the Stack Overflow. All the solutions will be there. While developing, most every day every developer will use the Stack Overflow. Whatever the issue he found, he just type in the Stack Overflow and he found the issue. He try to read because in the YouTube you cannot see hours of videos because your work has to be done now. So just he type and he try to read that code and he try to understand. He found the issue and he try to resolve the issue by that. Okay, if you have more time, if you are more interested, it's some important concepts are there. If you want to learn, then go to YouTube. Okay, because in the video you are able to understand quickly now. So that is the reason I prefer YouTube for learning some important concepts or some difficult concepts. Try to go to YouTube, or else always prefer websites only, because there you will 100% you will read the code. See, here is HTML is there, head is there, you will read the code. If you go to YouTube, YouTuber will say, and you keep on listening. So if you here you read the code, you try to understand and you will try yourself. Okay, okay, here the HTML, CSS you can try here. If you are Java, you in this only, you just type it java dot online, online compiler, you can type it, so that you can write the code online, you can execute code online. It's a C there, you can try C online, you can type it, you can write the code in online, you can check it. Okay, don't prefer, don't think that have to buy a laptop. I don't say you don't buy laptop, buy laptop, because it is help you more so much. Every who are buy the laptop, most of the people will get the jobs, because they will get a chance to improve your skills better way instead of doing in mobile. If you are it's okay, if you don't buy, it's okay, after job also you can buy. So I prefer you to do these things. Okay, because in the next videos I am going to explain HTML, JavaScript. So these are UI components. So how you can learn here, I am telling, because in the videos I want to explain in the how the in the project in the companies how you are going to use. I'm going to explain main concepts. Main concepts I'm going to explain. Other than, suppose, remember there is a some image is there. If I forgot there, you can come here and you can check, because only important concepts you have to spend there. I cannot give like 1 hours, 2 hours videos. You cannot watch, because if most of the important concepts I will teach there. If you learn, it's enough. Still, you want to increase, you have to do. There is no other option, because if you want to develop the application, if you found a issue, you have to solve yourself. So that is nothing that someone will come that and will solve issue, will not be there like that. You have to solve by yourself. You can check here one thing, .asp is there. That means this website is developed based on the ASP.NET or something. Okay, if you come here, I don't find any extension here. Okay, okay, that's it for this video.